recognized at the European level reaffirms the power of creativity and technology to build a more inclusive and diverse world. This award inspired us to continue creating safe and accessible spaces where every voice counts.
Meet and Code project supports directly our goals and mission, which stands for Architects PL Foundation. You rewarded young participants, girls from grades 4 and 5, who were not only inspired, but were able to create and have fun together, outside of stereotypes, saying that this domain is not for girls.
Today we are sure and proud to be part of this great European movement, and we want to continue to inspire young generation.